I can almost bet that half of you won't listen to this advice, but the art of walking away is quite possibly the best manifesting hack ever. This means if someone is not treating you right, if they're not the version of themselves that you desire to be with, if they told you that they want someone else, they want something else, walk away. Give them exactly what they want in that moment. And I know this is so controversial in the manifesting specific person community. Yes, you are the only thinker that matters in your reality. Yes, people can change their minds. They do it all the time. Yes, you can manifest them back, but no, not with this current attitude, not with this current self-concept, not with this current mindset and energy. And so walk away because you care about yourself more than your specific person. And I know it's painful because I've been there. It took me years to walk away from my SP because I had a lack mindset. I felt that if I walked away, I would never find anyone else like him again. I was focusing all of my energy on one person outside of me. If I'm the only thinker in my reality, then why am I manifesting for somebody outside of me to change? I can only change myself. The reason why so many of you are not manifesting your specific person is because you are so attached to this current version of them. You're so afraid to let this version go. You're afraid to walk away because you're living in lack. You think this is the only person in the entire world for you and that only this version exists. And we know that that's not true. You're so afraid to be replaceable that you're not even thinking that you could replace them in a second. You can literally open yourself up to get the respect, the treatment that you desire from so many other people. But you refuse to walk away because you have a lack mindset. I don't make as much content around SP anymore because I'm just so tired of people abandoning themselves for another person, for a man. Please know that you matter so much more than the person that you're trying so hard to change. You are not meant to affirm for your person forever. You are not meant to keep doing the whisper method forever. Is that the kind of relationship that you want? If it's not, then why are you settling for that? The only way to keep a manifestation is to change who you are and your identity. You can manifest an SP and it will work, but you won't be able to keep that relationship if you don't change your identity. You cannot identify with someone who believes that all men are cheaters and then have a healthy relationship with your desired person. It doesn't work that way. If it does, it's temporary. And I'm so confident that I will bet on this. If you've been doing robotic affirmations to manifest your specific person, tell me how long it took for that person to switch right back up. Nothing is permanent until you do the hard thing of looking at yourself, your own patterns and your wounds. And I know that this could be hard to hear, but maybe it's something you need to hear. Join my monthly academy at the top of my page and you get so much in there. There's also a coaching call every single month. You can learn to change your identity, change who you are at your core, and manifest without really forcing or chasing or doing anything, but just by being who you are, being magnetic. Okay? I'll see you in there and ask me any questions in the comments below.